and welcome to my channel. My name's Emily, the Petite beauty blogger, and in today's video I'll be doing a cute Valentine's Day date look. Now Valentine's Day is going to be different for a lot of people this year because we can't go out, we can't go and meet new people and so forth. Whether you like Valentine's Day or not, I'm not a massive fan of Valentine's Day, but I know a lot of people are. So this look is just going to be a fun look, whether you're going on a date, whether it's an at-home date with your partner, or whether it's a Zoom date, or whether you're not even going on a date, because I know what I'm not. I'm going to stay at home in my jammies and just have fun with makeup. I don't know if that makes me sound crazy, but I really do love makeup. So this is going to be a really fun, a cute look for anyone that just wants to get dolled up for the sake of getting dolled up. Okay, so I have primed already to make sure my face is nice and moisturised, and I'm going in with my foundation, and of course it's the Fenty Beauty 145. Now I will say, I wear makeup for myself. It makes me happy, it makes me confident. I never wear makeup for anyone else other than myself, not a man, not anyone. I just love makeup and the way it makes me feel. So please do your makeup however you like. It's your face, do whatever you want to it. Moving on to concealer, and of course I'm going with Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define. Has anyone got any Valentine's Day plans this year? I know we can't go out like normal, so I want to see if you have any interesting and creative dates that you are doing at home. Okay, now before it creases, I am going to powder it because I want it to set. So I'm using my Bare Minerals powder, Mineral Veil. Moving on now to the next product, and I'm going in with my Benefit to get the pretty started, the Hoola contour slash bronzer shade, and I'm just going to do a very light, cute kind of shade. Okay, so I've contoured and I really think it's a cute contour. It's not too heavy, it's not too light. Absolutely perfect for me. Okay, so moving on to blush. Now I am going to do a bright red lip, so I kind of want a blush to match that. So I'm going to have to try and find one that's not too intense, not too pink, but still cute. I may go in with that Bang Bang. I know I go in with that shade a lot because it's just a really nice corally kind of blush. Adorable. And now I'm gonna quickly do my brows. Okay, so I've got this Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's kind of like a brush on brow product in the shade dark brown, and I will say it is very pigmented, so please be careful when applying it because it really goes on thick. So what I like to do with this is I do like to get it on like normal and kind of brush it on, and then I like to take a brow brush just to pick up some excess product, just to create some shape. And then, just to help blend it out, I'll go back in with the brush, just to blend out the lines, like so. Okay, so my brows are done. They are more intense than I was going for, but as my natural hair is going back through, it's time to go a bit dark with my brows. So let's move on to the eyes. Now, I really wanted to do kind of like a nude, smoky, kind of blown out look, and I'm going to be thinking smoky with a red lip. Don't worry, it is going to look cool, so don't worry about it. Okay, so for my eyes, I'm going in with the Morphe Dare to Create 39A palette, and I've never used this on my channel. It's been in my room, I've just never used it for some odd reason, and I don't know why, because I actually really like it. It's absolutely stunning. I have just cleaned it, so be warned, but there's some really cute nude colours that we are going to use today. So I'm going to move in and get started. So first things first, I am going to go in with a nude colour. I'm going to use the M502, and this is just a big blending fluffy brush. So Morphe brushes with Morphe shadows. And I'm going to take the lightest nude and just apply it all over my lid as per. Cute, I really like that. It's not going to be too intense, but it is going to be a bit more glam. I know, glam, not too intense. They don't really go hand in hand, but this is me we're talking about. It's always glam some way or another. The next brush I'm going in with is the Morphe M135, and I'm just going to take just a colour that's slightly darker, just for the crease, just to deepen it, but not too intensely. Adorable! Now, because I don't want to do a heavy cut crease, I kind of just want to do a nice light and soft cut crease. I'm not going to bother priming the inner corner because I don't think it needs it. So I'm going to now go in with the Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette. These shimmers in here don't actually need any primer for them to work spectacularly. So I'm going to go in with two colours just to kind of give a bit of gold. I'm going to go in with that shade there, which is Gold Dipped, because I really love the muted kind of antique gold. And then I'm going to go in with that chocolate gold because it is a very bright gold, so it might add a bit of colour. I'm now going in with a deeper brown shadow just to blend with the shimmers and to deepen the crease. Cute. Now I'm just going to apply a tiny weeny little wing because I don't want a dramatic wing with this look. Okay, so my eyes are done. I've applied some lashes. My lashes are a bit too intense. I'm not feeling the lashes, but it's too late now. So second from last step, I'm going to do my highlighter, and of course, as always, it's my Makeup Revolution Ice. And I don't want to put too much on actually today. There we go. Just enough so that we glisten. Okay, so I am living for that glow. Now I'm going to move on to lips. And for lips today, I'm going in with the Fenty Beauty Lip Stunner in the shade Uncensored. Okay, so there's the lip done. I absolutely love it. I think it's stunning. Now, I know this isn't everyone's Valentine's Day look, but that's the one thing I love about makeup, is that anyone can do makeup any way they like. It's whatever they like. And I love me a red lip, and because it's Valentine's Day, of course you've got to do red. And now, for my last step, I'm moving on to my setting spray, which of course is the NYX Dewy Finish, because we're going to give ourselves that lovely glow. And there you have it. There is my Valentine's Day date makeup look. Now, as I said before, it may not be everyone's cup of tea. It is mine, and that's the fun bit about makeup. I can wear makeup however I want to, because I wear it for myself. Now, I'd really love to know what your plans are for Valentine's Day, because mine are probably sitting in and binge watching Friends, of course. And yeah, I know we can't really do much this year, so please tell me if you have anything unique that you're doing or anything fun that you are doing at home. And as always, I am very grateful for you for watching. Please make sure you are subscribed, and please make sure you hit the notification bell down below so you are notified of when the videos come out. You can also follow me on Instagram at Petite Beauty Blogger. You can like my Facebook page, facebook.com/MUA by Emily. I'll link my website down below. I also am opening up my Twitter again, and also my TikTok. I was heavily against TikTok, I hated it, but I love the makeup creativeness that you can do with it. I think actually for that it's really fun, so I will link that down below also. And as always, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in my next video.